Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can emulate your favorite games or apps from a phone or tablet onto your laptop or your PC. Let's get right into it. First things first, I want you to go down into the description and click my link. Once you do, it's going to take you to the same page that I'm on right now. We can see we're at LD Player, and I want you to go ahead and click the download LD Player for free button. And it's going to begin downloading a LDE player exe file. Once the file has finished downloading, I want you to go ahead and open it, run the file, and download the necessary application. Thereafter, I want you to go ahead and open the LD Player app. Once you're in the LD Player, you may have to log in with your Google account. And then I want you to go ahead and click the LD Store. As you can see here, we are pretty much emulating a mobile device onto our laptop. Here we have access to a whole bunch of games right now. Let's take an example, for instance, and let's go search for the Pi Network. As you can see here, the first option, here we have the Pi Network app, which you could go ahead and install it if you'd like, and then close it as if it were a tab. Here you can see access to other system apps that we have, contacts, your gallery, settings. And to access other information like your Wi-Fi, your signal, your battery, you can really go ahead and swipe up here. As you can see, we are literally emulating our mobile phone onto our laptop or PC with absolutely no limits as to what we can do. I hope that helped you and I hope it was informative. Please consider subscribing and liking the video and stay tuned till next time. Cheers.